What's up, Superhumans? BT here. It has been a while since I've uploaded, and because of this, maybe it's your first time seeing one of my videos. I like to create content that's going to help you move, feel, and perform better, both mentally and physically. So if you're into that sort of thing and you want to join the conversation, just hit that subscribe button. So what's the deal? Where have I been? I've got some updates for you. Let's go check it out. So where have I been? The last 5 weeks, I've been getting over being sick. 5 weeks ago, I got super sick. You know, I really thought it was corona. I had all the symptoms. I had some really bad respiratory problems, but I got tested twice. Both of them came back negative. Kind of crazy. Grateful and almost a little disappointed, just because it would be like, okay, I can get through it. But who knows, right? So that really, when you get that sick, it really takes it out of you. I couldn't film for at least 2.5 weeks. When I got healthier, I was working on a project. I'm currently making a program, a 30-day squat program, more of a mobility program to help people move and feel better while they're squatting. Well, that required me to film a lot of videos, and that took a great deal of time. And you gotta watch it. Like, I'm still kind of out of breath. I still have some respiratory problems, but man, trying to film those exercises, just getting up and getting down, I'm like doing some planks and I'm just like dying. To be a little easy, hands up in the air, hips high. Those are way tougher. Anyway, glad to have that done. Cool fact though, all of those videos that I shot, all those exercises are gonna be put on my exercise library. If you go to my playlists, you're gonna see a exercise library playlist. Click on that. It's got over 100, I think it's like 140 exercises, soon to have more added to that from this program. Also, check out the Fix Yourself playlist. That's really good for just wanting to feel better. If you're looking to prevent injury, recover from injury, work on your mobility, there's some great exercises in there and more being added to it. Also, a company called Whole30. They're a huge nutritional and educational company. Every year they do a Whole30 Summit. And this is where they invite some amazing speakers to come and present, maybe do some workshops and some classes. It's just like a health and wellness expo. I kind of spit a little there, and I'm sorry. It's never been open to the public before, actually. The only people that can attend are obviously the speakers that they invite, and then the Whole30 coaches. But for the first time ever, they are opening that up to the public, and they've asked me to present and do a workshop on mobility and fitness. So I'm really good about doing stuff in person, especially with a group. I've worked with tons of high school teams, so I feel comfortable there. But they're asking me to do a live stream. I've never done a live stream, so that's requiring a fair bit of my time. It's very stressful for me. I don't want to bloat. It's a big company. There's going to be a lot of eyes on me. So, lastly, this is kind of nuts. A video of mine is about to hit 100,000 views. And I know that's not a lot of views, but if you look at my average view, it's like 150 to 200 views total for a video. So to have something with 100,000 views, that's kind of a big deal. And it's my Apple Watch versus Woop video. It's one of the first videos I did after building the new YouTube studio. So I'm just pumped about that, and I'm doing a long-term review on the Woop 3.0. I put a poll out there to see if people wanted that, and the majority, like 90%, did. So we're gonna be doing that. I'm also going to try and get a free strap and some free months as a giveaway to kind of like celebrate that milestone. But I gotta let you know, Woop doesn't know who I am, and they don't sponsor any of these videos. They don't sponsor any of the reviews. I do them on my own. I enjoy it. You might be thinking, like, why on earth would you do that and not get paid? Because I don't get paid. Especially when I tell you, those videos, those big reviews that I do, man, they can take like 40, 50 hours. The Woop Apple Watch one, that was my first like review. And I didn't know how to do the overhead cam thing, like getting cameras and rigged and audio. It's complicated. And I ended up having to reshoot it 3 different times. It was like 3 different days of shooting, plus all the editing. There's a lot that goes into it. Just know that. So you're like, okay, so why do you do it if you're not getting paid and it takes you that much time? I have a full-time job. I run my own business that I started about 5 years ago, Superhuman Performance. And so I do a ton of personal and online training. That's how I make all of my money. About 1.5 years ago, I talked about this in my creative video. I found photography and I loved it. And I've really wanted to pursue photography and videography more full-time. I would love to make YouTube full-time. It's a lot of fun. I love making the videos. That's the #1 reason. The second reason is I need reps. If you've ever wanted to get better at a professional sport or just like kill it on an instrument, you've got to get the reps in. And so these YouTube videos, I love them, but they're also practice. I've seen some concerns about affiliate links. I want you to know that I have affiliate links in every single video. They're linked to the camera gear that I use or products that I use that I really enjoy. I thought I would let you in on how much money I've made from selling on Amazon affiliate for the last like 1.5 years. I have made an astounding $32.22. I'm living it up. I could almost, not completely, I could almost take my girlfriend to a movie and me go too. So I'm crushing it. Another way that I make money, and you guys have probably seen this, is ad revenue, right? It's a big thing. YouTubers have lots of subscribers and they get paid ad revenue. You see ads before, if the video is long enough, you see it during the middle, and and at the end, you'll probably see an ad, and they can customize those things. So you make ad revenue off of your videos. So I thought I would show you all the money that I'm making from ad revenue. So dashboard, let's go to analytics. And this is gonna give me ad revenue since I made the YouTube partnership program. By the way, YouTube partnership program, it's 1,000 subscribers and then I think 4,000 total hours of watch time up to that point. I don't have all the specifics, but thanks to you guys watching and supporting this channel, I made the YouTube partnership program, I wanna say a couple months ago, 3 or 4 months. So let's see how much I've racked up in that amount of time. Revenue, if I go to revenue, $0 right there. So again, this one's kind of frustrating, honestly. I knew it wasn't gonna be a lot, but I just wanted to see like progress. And when I hit up YouTube, they're like, you're not getting enough views. You just kind of suck. So I haven't made any money off of there. Just want you to know that YouTube is not entirely what it's cracked up to be. It can be if you put in the work and you put in the time, but yeah, like I said, I would love to be able to do this full time, but it's just not possible right now. So I'm doing the best that I possibly can. You'll also know if a company reaches out and they want me to review a product, right? Like if they want me to do something like I did with the Apple Watch and the Woop, or like the Theragun and the Hypervolt, the only input they have is they can send me the product. At that point, if I think the product's no good, it's not getting reviewed. If I think the product is good, I will tell them what I'll do. But they don't get to see the video beforehand. They don't get to add any remarks. It's an unbiased review. I want you guys to not waste money. Freak, right? Like if you spend $200 or $300 on one of these products, it should last a really long time. You should be confident, and I know you're putting your confidence in me, so I wanna make sure I do the best job I possibly can. That's it. I know it was kind of a short one. Listen, if you liked the video and you think other people would like this video and find the information that I present useful and helpful, hit the like button. Yes, it tells me that you liked the video, but what it really does is it kind of sifts through that YouTube algorithm and lets other people like yourself find the video easier. That's why it's really important. Secondly, if you want to be a part of the giveaways, you want to support the channel, you want to see the channel grow so I can do this more, hit that subscribe button. Till the next time, which is going to be the long-term review, I will see you later. Peace.